Today I'm going to show you how to make your desktop like this. Open your browser, go to getintopc.com and search Wallpaper Engine or click the link in video description. Scroll down and click on Download Full Setup. After downloading the Wallpaper Engine, go to the GitHub link given in the description. Now, follow my steps. Please subscribe, like and comment.
Six and a half hours later.
After downloading these two setups, go to the Steam Workshop. You can download any wallpaper you want. For this tutorial I will be using this wallpaper. Click on Share and copy this link. Now, search Steam Workshop Downloader and click on the first link. Paste the link here and click on Download. Please subscribe, like and comment. Use WinRAR to extract these files. Please subscribe, like and comment. Now, open Taskbar X folder and double-click on Taskbar X application. Then double-click on Taskbar X configurator. Select Transparent. Go to Startup and change the delay value to 8 seconds. Click on Apply. Let's install Wallpaper Engine. Open Installer and wait. Please subscribe, like and comment.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
After installing the Wallpaper Engine, click on Launcher. Follow my steps to install it correctly. Set the quality to high. Tick this or it won't start automatically when you restart your PC. Few more steps to apply the wallpaper. If you want, you can apply any of these default wallpapers. Click on Open from File and select this MP4 file. right click, go to view and click show desktop icons. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and comment for more videos like this. See you in another video. Until then, have a nice day.